Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit songs in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Bandlab is a very useful website, well, an online piece of software or a service, I guess you could say, through which you can either make audio recordings or actually edit other audio recordings which you would like to edit by uploading them from your device. Now, as you can see, I have uploaded a royalty-free song, which I have downloaded over the internet, and I'm going to be showing you how to edit sounds through this royalty-free clip. Let me just remove this track since it is useless to me. And yeah, let me just quickly show you what it sounds like originally. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's about 2.5 minutes long, so I won't be playing you everything. However, that is the basic sound that it came as. Now, to actually edit your audio, you can do a couple of things. You have auto pitch, which is basically just auto-tune. There are several options which you can use, such as roboticizing your voice, using modern rap, which is sort of a rap preset, making a harmony or a duet. I just like to deactivate it since I don't want to edit it with that. You can also add effects such as equalizers, distortion, and things like that, which are also very useful. And then if you go to the editor, here you can edit the actual audio. You can pitch it up so that it's a higher or a lower pitch. You can increase or decrease the speed. You can increase the volume by doing the region gain. You can reset the changes. You can also reverse the audio clip, and so on and so forth, and there is a lot of things you can do. I'll leave the rest up to you to experiment. These are the basics, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in another video.